For the aliens, choose what color your alien's gonna be. Mine's gonna be yellow, this is gonna be blue. Get some colored paper, pipe cleaners,
I'm gonna cut mine up now.
googly eyes, and pom-poms. Well, we can do it later. First thing we do is
If you want, you could cut your
cover. What I want to do is I want to make the eye a little bit bigger and then make like big ears right here.
So guys, I'm sticking 3 eyes on, so I'm gonna stick them now.
So this is going to be the base for my eye. Again, we look at the seam and we make sure it's in the back, and this is where my eye is going to go. So before I put it on, I'm actually going to stick the googly eye on. I'm going to make a black rim around the eye as well, just to give it a little bit of definition. Alright, so this is my eye.
Guys, for a little tip, you don't have to use glue. Just poke in the pom-pom and it's poked in, it's stuck. As a little tip, guys, you have to be careful with the pom-pom. It can come out.
I'm sticking mine here. And hey, I'm using the easy way out. So I'm just going to staple them right here. I've attached these two here, and Cece wants to do the same. No, don't cut them, don't cut them. Now what we're going to do, she wants to make them squidgy like one. So what you do is you do it like this, and then you pull it from there. Okay. Now you can sort of adjust it. Make them as tall or as short as you want. You make the next one. Now I've cut out semicircles here. Mine is looking like this. And what I want to do is I want to stick these here to give it a weird look. You see? And my final step is my final antenna, and I'm going to put this thing on top. Okay?
Guys, look at mine.
Do you want to do anything else to yours, or are you okay with it? Do you want to put a mouth? You can draw a mouth with this, but first draw it with a pencil and then go over it with that. Okay? And I'm just going to attach this guy right here. It was. I'm done right now. And here are our aliens. I like him. Mine is called Beep.
Mine's called Bop. Beep bop, beep bop.
Beep Beep. What's next on our list?
Binoculars. We got us the light.
For the binoculars, make sure you've got 2 toilet rolls that are the same size.
Binoculars.
Colored paper. We're gonna wrap it up. So make sure you cover them all up, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue, actually a lot of glue.
Grassy.
And now we take this part and this part and we attach. And now Cece's just gonna sit here for half an hour and hold them together.
No.
Best thing to do is to get clothes pegs, and
I was gonna tell you to get those pegs.
just put them together and let them dry.